Hello! In this video we'll be looking at a powerful petrol driven lawn scarifier. This brilliant machine is designed for use on large lawns, parkland and playing fields in a single operation. With 380mm wide rake strips and penetration depth of up to 5mm, this handy machine will help promote new and healthy lawn growth. You'll also notice that it comes with a convenient detachable collection box to help dispose of garden waste and keep your work area tidy. We advise that you wear ear defenders, gloves, goggles and safety boots when operating this machine. Please note HSS does not supply petrol, but fuel cans and the recommended PPE can be purchased at hss.com when checking out. Before starting, clear the work area of any objects that could damage the machine. Position the Scarifier outdoors on firm flat ground, then check the oil and fuel levels. To start the engine, turn the engine switch to the on position, open the fuel tap and set the choke so that it is fully closed if starting from cold or half closed if the engine is already warm. Finally, grip the handlebar and place a foot against the rear wheel. Then pull the start cord a few times until the engine starts up. Once the engine has started, open the choke and allow the engine to warm. To stop the engine, release the operating lever. Switch the ignition to off and turn the fuel tap to off. Then wait for the blades to stop rotating before attempting to move the machine. When needed, you can set the operating height by screwing the top adjuster knob up or down so that the blades comb the grass without touching the soil. Then tighten the locking knob. Note that the blades must not be allowed to touch the ground. You can mount the grass bag onto the Scarifier by raising the ejection guard and sliding the grass bag frame lugs into the locating slots on each side of the axle frame. You should empty the grass bag frequently, but always stop the engine and wait for the rotating blades to stop before doing so. Always use the lawn Scarifier at the maximum engine speed, and if you strike a stone or similar object, stop the engine immediately and wait for the blades to stop rotating. Inspect the Scarifier for damage, and if in any doubt, contact your local HSS hire. If you want to find out more or view our full range of gardening tools and equipment, go to hss.com today.